Question 24, find the magnification of the image formed by spherical mirror from the following data. Okay, U is this, F is this. This is a concave mirror, of course. Focal length is negative. What is the mirror formula? 1 by F is 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by we have to find 1 by V value of V. So 1 by F minus 1 by U. Minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20, LCM will be 60, minus 3 plus minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 by 60. So V is minus 60, and we have to find magnification. Magnification is minus V by U. Minus 60 upon minus 20, answer is minus 3. What can you tell about the image from the value of minus 3? Negative means real inverted, and 3 greater than 1 means it is enlarged. वैसे भी कौन सा केस है हमें हम बता सकते हैं, F is 15, U is 20, that means between F and C case. So image is formed real inverted and enlarged in that case. Draw a labeled ray diagram for the image formation by a concave mirror when object is placed between its center of curvature and focus. This is the ray diagram. Image is formed beyond C. Next question, state any one advantage of using cloth bags over plastic bags. Now cloth bags are biodegradable, eco-friendly. You can write this. B part, list any two methods by which solid waste generated in urban areas can be safely disposed. तो आप composting कर सकते हैं, recycling कर सकते हैं, segregation and many other ways. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis, everyone knows, process in which CO2, water converted into glucose and oxygen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Where does, name the organelle and the organs in which the photosynthesis take place. Organelle कौन सा होता है? Chloroplast. And where does it, organ क्या है? Leaf. Where does the oxygen liberated come from? It comes from water. आपने अगर events of photosynthesis में किया होगा, water splits into H2 and O2, hydrogen and oxygen. What happens to the carbohydrates which are not immediately used by the plants? They are stored as starch. Structure and function of alveoli in human respiratory system. Structure कैसा है? Balloon like structure है, कुछ ऐसा. Within the lungs, the air passage divides into smaller and smaller tubes, which finally terminate into balloon-like structures, which are called alveoli. You can see there are balloon-like structures. इनके आसपास capillaries देख रहे हैं आप. What is the function of alveoli? Exchange of gases takes place here. It provides the surface where exchange of gases takes place. How we know blood comes from heart to lungs for oxygen. Now CO2 rich blood from heart comes here. तो alveoli में exchange कैसे होगा? CO2 from the blood enters alveoli, और alveoli में जो oxygen है that enters blood. तो ये oxygenated blood is now taken to heart. What is meant by residual volume of air in the lungs? Residual volume होता है, आप forceful exhalation भी करोगे ना, तब भी कुछ वॉल्यूम ऑफ एयर विल बी लेफ्ट इन द लंग्स, वो रेजिडुअल वॉल्यूम है. आप कभी ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि आपके लंग्स एम्प्टी हो जाए. Even after forceful exhalation, some amount of air is left. That volume is residual volume. Volume of air left in the lungs after exhalation. Any two ways by which plant obtains CO2? Exchange of gases through stomata and process of respiration. What causes opening and closing of the stomata? Water से होता है. Water से कैसे होता है? When water enters guard cells. तो ये देखिए है vacuole. ये वैक्यूल है. वैक्यूल में जो वाटर एंटर कर जाता है, गार्ड सेल्स में एंटर कर जाता है, द गार्ड सेल्स स्वेल, जिसकी वजह से पोर ओपन हो जाता है. स्वोलन गार्ड सेल्स, टर्जिड गार्ड सेल्स. एंड वाटर, व्हेन वाटर कम्स आउट, तो आप देख रहे हो वैक्यूल में वाटर बहुत लेस हो गया है. द गार्ड सेल्स आर श्रंकन और फ्लैसिड. स्टोमाटा इज क्लोज्ड, द पोर क्लोजेस. Define trophic levels. What are trophic levels? Steps of food chain, various levels of food chain. At which trophic level do we find secondary and tertiary consumer? Secondary consumer हमारा होता है थर्ड ट्रॉपिक लेवल में, जो कि होते हैं कार्निवोर, जैसे बर्ड्स, फिशेस, वॉल्फ. एंड टर्शियरी आपका हो गया फोर्थ, टॉप कार्निवोर, जैसे मैन एंड लायन. What will happen if all the organisms of a tropic level die? Ecological imbalance हो जाएगा, food chain disrupt हो जाएगा. For example, if all deer die, तो क्या होगा? Grass बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, है ना? And lions will starve, lions will die. तो इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस डिस्टर्ब हो गया. गिव रीजंस टू जस्टिफाई योर आंसर. अच्छा वो आगे ये लिखा है, ऑर्गेनिज्म ऑफ नेक्स्ट लेवल विल स्टार्व टू डेथ or enter other food chain, or organisms of previous level will multiply profusely. Next question, an aqueous solution turns blue litmus red. That means it is acid. Acid turns blue litmus paper red. Which of the following solution when added in excess would reverse the change? मतलब हमें चाहिए बेस, उसको रिवर्स कराने के. बेस यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये हाइड्रोक्साइड्स वाले बेस होते हैं. लेमन जूस, विनेगर, कैल्शियम सल्फेट, ये भी आपका, ये सब एसिड्स हैं. दिस इज एसिड, विनेगर इज एसिटिक एसिड, कैल्शियम सल्फेट इज एसिडिक इन नेचर. हाउ? ये कैल्शियम 2 पॉजिटिव, SO4 2 नेगेटिव. नाउ कंबाइन दिस विद OH एंड कंबाइन दिस विद H पॉजिटिव, तो आपका आया कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड प्लस H2SO4. दिस इज पेरेंट एसिड and this is parent base. Now this is strong, so the nature of the salt is acidic. Out of the following which compound or compounds will turn phenolphthalein solution pink? Pink कौन करता है? base. ये तो acidic नहीं, acid है, नहीं होगा. HCl भी नहीं होगा. calcium hydroxide is base, NaOH is base. Name a gas whose aqueous solution is basic. वो होता है अमोनिया, NH3 अमोनिया. राइट द फॉर्मूला और नेम ऑफ दिस सोल्यूशन. ओके, NH3 को अगर आप वाटर में ऐड करते हो तो बनता है NH4OH, अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. A basic substance is used to treat a honey bee sting. Why? Because it contains acid. कौन सा एसिड होता है? फॉर्मिक एसिड. फॉर्मिक एसिड and the base can neutralize the excess acid or formic acid. Remember, bee stings are acidic in nature and wasp stings are alkaline. So we need acids here to treat. Fifth, name the acid which is present in tomato. It is oxalic. And tamarind, it is tartaric. Next, define water of crystallization. Fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of salt. जैसे कॉपर सल्फेट है, कॉपर सल्फेट की एक यूनिट के साथ 5 molecules of water attached. ये water of crystallization है. Some other example, washing soda, Na2CO3 के साथ 10 molecules are attached. Calcium sulfate, gypsum के साथ 2 molecules of water are attached. And copper sulfate के साथ 5 molecules. FeSO4 there are 7 molecules of water attached. Write the chemical name and formula of a compound having water crystallization molecule and appears blue. That is copper sulfate. तो यही formula. Hydrated copper sulfate भी बोल सकते हो, copper sulfate pentahydrate भी लिख सकते हैं. Next, write the formula of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride. Write a balanced chemical equation of the reaction involved in its preparation. Now preparation कैसे किया? Dry slaked lime plus chlorine gas gives CaOCl2 plus H2. Reaction of dry slaked lime with chlorine gas, it gives us bleaching powder. Uses bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry. Oxidizing agent का काम करता है, ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड करता है, डिसइंफेक्टिंग के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ये आप देख सकते हो मार्केट में अवेलेबल होता है ब्लीचिंग पाउडर. हेल्प्स इन क्लीनिंग वर्क, डिसइंफेक्टिंग वर्क,